calculate an average in Excel, all you need to do is click on the cell where you want to show the result and type in equals average and open the brackets. And then select the cells with the numbers that you want to create the average out of. Close the brackets and press enter. And there you have your average of the numbers there for John Smith. To copy that down, all you need to do is put the mouse over the fill handle until you see the plus sign. Click on your mouse and drag it down. Let go of the mouse. Or you can just press Ctrl C, select the destination cells and press Ctrl V to copy and paste it down to the other cells where you want to show the averages of the numbers. So that's how you get averages of rows of numbers. For columns, it's the same thing. You just select the cells that you want to create the average out of. And if you want to copy it across, you can use the fill handle, or you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And to get an average of both columns and rows together, you just simply select all of the cells that you want to create the average out of, and there it is.